Hey, I'm going to Google Classroom. I'm clicking classwork. My view is going to be different than Melanie. She's going to see some things on mine that she doesn't see on hers. Melanie needs to make sure she goes to the week that we're on, week of November 16th through the 20th. Then she needs to find the assignments that have today's date. So today is Thursday, November 19th. So anything that says Thursday, November 19th is what she should be completing. Here's the link for reading on Seesaw. The link for Seesaw is attached to Google Classroom. Melanie should never, ever, ever go to Seesaw without coming to Google Classroom and clicking on a link. I always have it linked, that way it's easier. But here's her reading assignment. She clicks on it. Of course, it's not going to show me the same view that she would see because mine's teacher view. And there's the reading log. It is always linked in our Google Classroom. Please tell her never to go to Seesaw without going through Google Classroom. I spend the time to link it so it's easier.